Welcome back to the shop, man. Guess what just came in from Acme Tools? I'm so excited. This is the 90-degree impact ratchet. I've had this pre-ordered for, oh gosh, probably 2 months now. Today's what, Sunday, June something. No, I don't know. UPS just brought it. Oh, fuck yeah. I just got the tool only. Oh, God. Let's try it out. I don't know. Let's talk about it here for just a second. 2564-20 bare tool, friction ring, 220 foot-pounds, nut busting torque. I could go over the damn specs. You've already looked at the specs. You know exactly what the hell this is. Let's go see what it'll do, right? Fuck all them other bullshit talking fucking specs and shit. Come on, let's go. Alright, now that I didn't bore you with all the specs and crap, I came straight to the trailer. Got a little 3/8 extension here, 13/16 3/8 socket. Let's see if it'll back these lug nuts off. Oh. No problem. That's the reverse. Let's see if it'll put it back on. Oh yeah. I'll come back around my torque wrench and check those, but yeah, trailer lug nuts, no problem. Alright, so next I wanted to see if it'd take the lug nuts off this Bobcat 873. I seriously doubt it's going to remove lug nuts, but we got to see what she's going to do. 3/8 9-degree impact ratchet. I've got a 3/8 to 1/2 inch adapter with a short 1/2 inch extension with a 1-inch socket. These lug nuts take a 1-inch socket to take them off, so let's see if she'll do it. Oh my goodness. There it is. Unbelievable. It just, I mean, you can just feel the torque of this impact. And the speed, unbelievable. I mean, you know Milwaukee quality. I mean, I'm sure you're familiar with their tools. I mean, this is brand new, literally just came out. I've been on a waiting list for 2 months, and I am very impressed so far. M12 little 3.0 battery. It's just great. I mean, it took lug nuts off this skid steer. Let's see, let's find something else. Let's see if we can get it to something that's not gonna, I mean, I'm sure I can find something that's not gonna take apart, but let's just keep testing it. See what else we can find. All right, now we're at the Bobcat T250 drive sprocket nuts. These are 15/16. This is a newer drive sprocket, and the threads have been lubricated, but this was put on with a big 1/2 inch, the 1,400 pound impact of Milwaukee's, but so there's no way, I really don't think there's any way it's gonna take these nuts off, but hell, let's see. Oh, fuck yeah. Holy shit. Okay, you gotta get down here and watch this. Oh yeah. Uh-oh, might have found one that's not gonna back off. It's going. There it is. Fucking Unbelievable. Put it back on. The head's already getting pretty warm, but it backed them off. I got to go in and retorque them, but that is crazy. Well, there it is. I just wanted to give you my first impressions. Like I said, I've been waiting. This is mid-June 2020. I've been waiting 2 months. Well, longer than that. I've just been pre-ordered for 2 months, but I've been waiting quite a while for this, and it is everything I hoped it would be. The head's a little big. I might have some problem getting in some tighter spots, but I've got other tools for that. I mean, if I gotta get any tighter spot than that, the M12 fuel ratchets have always worked fine for me. But yeah, I mean, I just proved it to you. I mean, I didn't loosen those nuts up. I mean, those nuts have been on there for, I mean, those lug nuts, God, I don't know how long they've been on there on that Bobcat 873, and it just backed them all off, no problem, fast too. It had to hammer a few seconds to get off those sprocket nuts, but it backed them off. And the head did get a little warm to the touch, but that was just a minute or two ago, and it's already cooled back down, so I'm not worried about that. And that's not what I'm going to use it for, and I doubt that's what you're going to use it for, but it'll do it if you got it out and you just want to use it. Yeah, go for it. Gosh, yeah, the first impressions, I am absolutely impressed. So there you have it. I'm gonna go keep playing with it, and I guess once I get a little more time on it, I'll update the video and let you know if it's holding up as well as I think it is. I mean, it's Milwaukee. I'm pretty sure it's gonna hold up. Thanks for watching.